For this video, we're going to go over how to find the least common denominator of larger fractions and then find their sum. So our first problem here, find the LCD of 11 over 30 and 9 over 64 and then find their sum. So in order to find the LCD of 30 and 64, which are large numbers, we first have to break them out into multiples of their prime numbers. So note here, prime numbers are numbers that can only divide by itself and 1. So generally, you will be using these prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Anything bigger than this you normally would probably never use. So our first breakout of 30 is 6 times 5. 6 is not a prime number yet. 5 is a prime number. So you break them out even more to 2 times 3 times 5. And those are all prime numbers, as you can see in this list here. And we stop there. For 64, you break them out. 8 times 8. 8 is not a prime number. So you keep breaking them out. And as you can see, if you break all 8 times 8 all into prime numbers, you get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals to 2 to the power of 6 in the concise form. So I brought over the expression of 30 over here, and after breaking both denominators out into prime multiples, to find the LCD, you simply just kind of draw columns separating each of the prime numbers, and you simply take the higher of the two. So between 2 and 2 to the power of 6, the LCD is equal to 2 to the power of 6. Between 3 and nothing here, you take 3. And between 5 and nothing here, you take 5. And that is the LCD of 30 and 64. So if you calculate that out, you get 960. So now that we know the LCD of both of these fractions, we can find their sum. So 1130 plus 9 over 64. So we must convert both of these fractions to have the same denominator, 960. So to do that, we must first divide 960 by both of these numbers to see their factor. So 960 divided by 30 is equal to 32. 960 divided by 64 is equal to 15. So let's see, we write this expression here, 11 over 30 times, so 32 over 32. Remember, we're just multiplying by 1 here. 964 times 15 over 15, and then just multiply across. 11 times 20 times 32 is 352 over 960. I'm just gonna include everything here under 960, and 9 times 15 is 285, and that equals to 637 over 960, and that is the sum between these two fractions. For our second problem, find the LCD of 116 over 945 and 612 over 1575, then find their sum. Same steps. Break out both of the denominators by prime multiples. So 945 equals 9 times 105, and to save us time, I broke 945 into prime multiples here to 3 to the power of 3 times 5 times 7. And 1575, I broke it out into prime multiples here, 3 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2 times 7. So the LCD, same thing, draw columns over the factors and just take the highest one. So between 3 to the power of 3 to 3 to the power of 2, we take 3 to the power of 3 times, between these two, we take 5 squared, and between these two they're the same, so we just take it. And this LCD is equal to 4,725. Now that we have the LCD, we can add these two fractions together. 5 plus 6, 1575. So first we have to find the multiples to convert them to have the same denominator. So 4725 divided by 945 is equal to 5. 4725 divided by 1575 is equal to 3. So 16945 times 5 over 5 plus 612 times 3 over 3, we get, let's see, 580 plus 1836 over 4725, and our final answer comes out to be 2,416 over 4725. And that's how you do this kind of problem. It's a bit lengthy, but if you do it step by step, it's not that hard. Just double check your work and do it repetitively and you get it.